Hey, pumpkin spice lovers, fall is in the air, and I'm about to show you how to create the most gorgeous, sparkly pumpkin jewelry set that'll have everyone asking, where did you get that? These shimmery little beauties are perfect for everything, from pumpkin patches to Halloween parties. And the best part? They're so much easier to make than they look. Stick around to see how we transform simple resin into wearable autumn magic. Welcome to Happy Place Creations. If you're new here, I'm Connie. If you're returning, welcome back. Today, we're diving into some fall-inspired crafting with this adorable pumpkin jewelry set. I'm so excited to walk you through this process because these little pumpkins turn out looking absolutely magical with their sparkly orange glow and those cute little faces. I'll be showing you all my favorite tricks for getting that perfect autumn shimmer, adding those precise little details, and turning a simple silicone mold into jewelry pieces you'll be proud to wear or gift. And don't worry if you're new to resin, I'll break down each step so you can follow along easily. Let's gather our supplies and jump right into creating some pumpkin perfection. Trust me, once you see how these catch the light, you're going to want to make sets for all your friends too. All right, friends, let's get this pumpkin party started. For today's project, I'm reaching for my trusty Let's Resin epoxy. It's my go-to for jewelry pieces because it cures so beautifully clear. For that perfect autumn orange, I'm using Rolo California Poppy Mica powder. Isn't that color just dreamy? It has that warm, rich tone that screams fall, but you know me. I can't resist adding a little extra sparkle. I'm mixing in this gorgeous holographic polyester glitter that has different size chunks in it. When the light hits this, it's going to create the most magical effect, like little flecks of sunshine dancing in our pumpkins. I'm combining everything in one mixing cup, keeping it simple. This mixture is going to be the base for all our pumpkin pieces. Watch how the mica and glitter swirl together. It's already looking delicious, like pumpkin spice in resin form. Now for my double bubble busting attack. First, I'm taking my silicone tool and carefully running it around the edges and into all the little nooks of the mold. This helps coax those stubborn air bubbles to the surface that love to hide in corners and detailed areas. Then I follow up with a light spritz of 99% isopropyl alcohol. See that fine mist? It breaks any remaining surface bubbles instantly and evaporates quickly, leaving your resin perfectly smooth. These two steps together are absolute game changers for achieving that glass-like professional finish we're after. We'll let these cure completely before moving to the next step. I'm already getting excited about how these are going to turn out. All right, the moment of truth has arrived. It's demolding time. Look at that gorgeous orange shimmer as our pumpkins come free from the mold. Aren't they just the cutest little things? You can already see how that holographic glitter is catching the light and creating this amazing sparkle effect. Now comes the fun part where we really bring these pumpkins to life, adding those spooky cute faces. I'm using Let's Resin UV resin mixed with a drop of iron black metallic alcohol ink for this step. This combo gives us that perfect deep black with just a hint of metallic sheen that adds so much dimension to our little pumpkin faces. See how I'm carefully filling in those facial imprints left by the mold? I'm using a variety of precision tools to get into all those tiny spaces. This fine-tipped applicator is perfect for the mouth details, while this slightly wider one works great for the eyes. It's like pumpkin face surgery, and I'm the doctor. The real MVP in this process is my Let's Resin UV light. I'm curing each section as I go, rather than waiting until the end. This is such a game changer because it prevents any accidental smudging or the black resin from running where it shouldn't. Just a quick zap with the UV light, and that section is set before moving on to the next feature. Look at how those faces are coming to life. From plain orange pumpkins to these expressive little characters with their cheeky grins. This precise approach takes a bit more time, but trust me, the clean, professional results are totally worth it. want to express my deepest and most sincere appreciation to all my wonderful subscribers who have been with me throughout this creative journey, and extend a particularly warm welcome to those marvelous individuals who are discovering my channel for the first time today. My absolute passion and commitment is centered around producing content that not only inspires, but truly entertains, spanning everything from intricate resin art demonstrations to comprehensive step-by-step crafting tutorials for creators at every skill level. This artistic adventure we're sharing together is genuinely fueled by your incredible enthusiasm and engagement. I simply couldn't continue creating these projects without your amazing support and encouragement along the way. If you've been enjoying these creative explorations but haven't yet joined our crafting community officially, I'd be so grateful if you'd consider hitting that subscribe button below. Remember, subscribing is completely free and takes just a moment of your time, but makes an enormous difference to independent content creators like myself. Your subscription is genuinely one of the most powerful ways to support my ongoing efforts to bring you quality content consistently. Additionally, taking a second to like these videos sends a crucial signal to YouTube's algorithm that this content provides real value, which helps these tutorials reach an even wider audience of fellow crafting enthusiasts. I absolutely love hearing your thoughts, questions, and creative ideas in the comment section. It's where our community truly comes alive with shared inspiration. Please feel free to share your reactions or ask about anything that sparked your curiosity. Thank you tremendously for your continued support throughout this creative journey. Your presence and engagement truly mean absolutely everything to me and fuel my passion to keep creating and sharing. And now that our pumpkins have those adorable faces, it's time to really make them pop with those classic pumpkin lines. These details are what transform our pieces from simple orange pendants into instantly recognizable pumpkins that scream, "Fall is here!" I'm sticking with our winning combination of UV resin and iron black metallic alcohol ink. It's giving us that perfect definition with just enough shine to catch the light beautifully. The contrast between the deep black lines and our vibrant orange base is absolutely stunning. Watch how I'm carefully tracing along those subtle indentations in the mold design. I'm taking my time here because these lines really define the pumpkin shape. It's like drawing with liquid shadow, following the natural curve of each section. The precision tip on my application tool makes this so much easier. It's all about control when you're working with these fine details. Just like before, I'm curing each section with my UV light as I go. This step-by-step approach keeps everything neat and prevents any bleeding between sections. It's tempting to rush and do it all at once, but trust me, this methodical approach gives you those crisp, clean lines that make the finished piece look professionally made. Look at how these lines instantly transform our pumpkins. They're adding depth, dimension, and that classic pumpkin texture we all recognize. Each little section is starting to look rounded and full, just like a real pumpkin. It's amazing how these simple black lines can create such a 3D effect on our flat pieces. We're at my favorite part now, where we really make these pumpkins shine. Our faces and accent lines look amazing, but let's take these beauties to the next level with a gorgeous top coat. I'm grabbing my UV resin again, but this time I'm mixing in some crushed crystal. This is going to give our pumpkins that extra dimension and catch the light in the most magical way. It's like adding morning dew to our pumpkins. They'll sparkle from every angle. I'm applying it in a nice, even layer across the entire surface to seal in all our details and create that glass-like finish. Quick zap with the UV light and perfection. Now for those special little touches that make these pieces unique. See that hole at the top of each pumpkin? That's typically where we'd attach our jewelry findings, but I'm going to elevate the design first by adding a rhinestone right on top. This little gem creates a beautiful focal point and adds just the right amount of bling. But wait, I'm not stopping there. I'm placing these tiny leaves right beside our rhinestones. Aren't they adorable? They make the pumpkins look like they were just picked from a magical autumn patch. Stay with me because I'm about to show you a clever little trick when we flip these over to the back side. This is one of those, why didn't I think of that sooner? moments that completely leveled up my jewelry making. Sometimes it's these little unexpected details that make handmade pieces truly special, and have people asking where you got such unique jewelry. All right, crafty friends, now for the big reveal of my little trick. Our pumpkins look gorgeous from the front, but we're about to make the back just as special with this clever stem technique. Flip those pumpkins over and let's get to work on the backside. First, I'm applying a complete layer of UV resin across the entire back surface of each pumpkin. This is so important because it gives us a perfectly flat, smooth back that feels professional and finished. No rough or uneven surfaces here. This full coverage also adds durability and a beautiful depth to our pieces. Now for the stem trick. I'm taking some regular UV resin and using it to attach these open back bezels right at the top of each pumpkin. These bezels are going to act as our pumpkin stems. How cute is that? It's such a simple addition, but it instantly makes these pieces look more realistic and three-dimensional. Here's the important part that I learned the hard way. Watch how I'm propping up my projects with these tongue depressors. This is absolutely crucial because these metal bezels are heavier than you might think. If you don't prop them up, they'll start to slide down before the resin cures, and you'll end up with crooked stems. Plus, the bezel needs to be level with your project for a professional finish. The tongue depressor creates the perfect little platform to keep everything in place while the UV resin sets. It's such a simple solution, but makes all the difference in the final result. I'm applying a generous amount of resin around the base of each bezel to ensure a strong bond. These stems need to stay put when we're wearing our pumpkin jewelry. A quick cure with the UV light and our stems are securely attached with a beautifully finished back. This flat, sealed back not only looks more professional, but also feels better against the skin when worn as jewelry. It's these little finishing touches that take your handmade pieces from looking homemade to looking boutique quality. Now for that crucial final step that guarantees our pumpkins will be perfectly set and ready to wear. I'm giving everything a full 5-minute cure under the UV light. This extended curing time is my insurance policy. It makes absolutely certain that every layer of resin is completely hardened, even the deeper sections that might need a little extra time. Don't be tempted to rush this final cure. Those 5 minutes are what ensure your jewelry will be durable enough for everyday wear. I've learned that this patience at the end prevents any tacky spots or premature wear and tear that can happen if the resin isn't fully set. And just like that, we're done. Instant jewelry that's ready to wear right away. Aren't these pumpkin pendants absolutely adorable? From mixing our resin to this finished piece, we've created professional quality seasonal jewelry that looks like it came from a boutique. You can turn these into necklaces, earrings, keychains, or even cute zipper pulls for your fall jacket or purse. The possibilities are endless, and because we took our time with each step, especially that final thorough cure, these pieces will hold up beautifully throughout the autumn season and beyond. I hope you enjoyed creating these sparkly pumpkin treasures with me. They're the perfect way to add a touch of handmade fall magic to your accessories collection. And remember, this same technique works for any seasonal shapes. Think ornaments for winter, flowers for spring. Once you master this method, you can create custom jewelry year-round.